Hi, my name is Luis Sanchez. I am the Food and Beverage Director here at Nick's Martini Bar in Beverly Hills. And today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon martini, also known as a lemon drop martini. And really the secret to this martini is to balance the tartness of the lemon and the sweetness of the sugar. You definitely want to be able to, it should taste like a very intense lemonade in your mouth with the addition of the vodka. So to get there, we want to use about the juice of one lemon. So you want to just squeeze that straight into your glass, just like that. That was half a lemon. Like I said, it should be tart and sweet at the same time. That's one lemon. And then here we use super fine bar sugar. We're going to do about 1 tablespoon of that. Why do I use super fine? Because it dissolves much faster. And then really what's left is just your vodka. Whatever lemon vodka that you like. We're going to do 2 ounces of that. Ice up your glass. And we really want to shake this hard. Remember there's a lot of sugar in there. We want to make sure that that gets all dissolved. Nothing should go to waste, guys. Let me get a chill glass for you. Traditionally, we want to put a little bit of sugar on the rim. To do it at home, just put some sugar on a plate just like this. And then get a piece of lemon, run it around the rim of the glass so that your sugar sticks to it. Flip your glass on top of the sugar and work it like that. You can add some lemon zest to this sugar and it would be really amazing also. Once you cover the whole rim, then you're ready to pour. And as an added bonus, you want to get that same wedge that you used, dip it in the sugar, and place it on the side of the glass. One more time, my name is Luis Sanchez, and that is how you make a lemon martini.